In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo for email marketing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up your contacts, create a campaign, design your email, and send it out with confidence. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and click on CRM. This will automatically take you to the contacts page. This is where all of your audience data lives, so it's a good place to start. At the top, you'll see options to create a contact or import contacts. If you just have a few people to add, use Create a Contact and fill out the details manually. If you already have a list in a file or another system, choose Import Contacts to bring them all in at once. On that same left panel, under Contacts, you'll notice Lists and Segments. Lists are great for broad groupings, like customers or newsletter subscribers, while segments let you filter more precisely, for example, by engagement or location. Once your contacts are organized, go back to the left panel and click Marketing. Inside this section, click Create Campaign. A pop-up will appear. Choose Email, then choose Regular Email. Give your campaign a clear name so you can recognize it later. You can also assign tags or place it in a folder to keep things organized. Then click Create Campaign. You'll now see 5 key sections to complete. Start with Sender. Click Manage Sender, and the section will expand so you can choose or update the sender email address and the sender name that your recipients will see. Save your changes. Next, open the Recipients section by clicking Add Recipients. When you click into the field, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose a list, a segment, or specific individual contacts. You can also enable the option to avoid sending to unengaged contacts, which helps keep your deliverability healthy. Then click Save. Move on to Subject, click Add Subject to expand it. Here you can type your subject line and the preview text that appears in inboxes. You have tools to insert emojis, add personalization variables, or even generate copy with AI. As you edit, you'll see a live preview on the right. When you're happy, click Save. Now it's time for design. Click Start Designing. A pop-up will let you pick from your existing campaign emails or templates. Choose one, and it will open in the editor, with a live preview on the right and a panel on the left. On the content panel, you'll see tabs for blocks, sections, and saved. To build your email, simply drag and drop these elements into place. Under Style, you can adjust layout, spacing, background, header, text styles, links, and buttons so everything matches your brand. To edit any existing block, click on it. Its content and styling options will appear on the left, and you'll see floating icons on the block to move it, duplicate it, use AI, or delete it. Make sure to add your logo, your social media icons with correct links, and any key call to action buttons. When you're done, click Save and Quit in the top right corner. Wait for the page to reload. You'll be taken back to your campaign editor. Open additional settings next by clicking Edit Settings. Here you can fine-tune personalization options, sending and tracking behaviors, subscription-related settings, and some design preferences. Adjust these according to your needs, then save. When all sections are complete, scroll up and click. Schedule in the top right. A panel will open on the right side. You can choose to send now, schedule for a specific date and time, send at the best time based on Brevo's optimization, or send in batches if you want to spread delivery out. Pick the option that fits your strategy, then click. Send or schedule at the bottom right. After your campaign has gone out, you'll want to review its performance. On the left panel, under Campaigns, click on Statistics. This is where Brevo displays your campaign metrics, such as opens and clicks, so you can understand what worked and what you might improve next time. And that's it. You've seen how to manage contacts, build a campaign, design your email, configure settings, schedule it, and finally, check the results in Brevo for your email marketing.